what's happening, everybody? Today we're here for fixing another problem with BMW Seat Belt Extender hand. It's a 2007 335 I series coupe. That seat belt catcher, it doesn't really want to catch the belt. I will show you how to repair that thing, and it's pretty easy. Most of the people usually open the glove box, take the fuse out and keep that thing out. I prefer to not do that. What we're doing, real quick, we just slapping that thing, jumped out the car. Okay, and we'll see there is the one click, one clamp here and another one here. You need to push it a little harder in there to take it out. Okay, now we got it. Okay, we got the end piece. What we are doing with it, it's wiggling too much and it should be pretty silly like that. We press the little pin in there, close it up, that guy. You can use any kind of stuff. I mean, I'm using the piece of rubber in there to hold it in place. Then you take out the spring in there, the long spring. Do not touch the small one. I believe it should be easy to take it out. It's something like that. Okay. Looks like L, that piece of metal in there. And what we need to do, we need to break it up. We actually just take pliers and break it. It's really easy to break it. I mean, it's like just wiggle a little bit. Don't push it too hard, because you might damage something else. Make sure the piece what was left just on the right place. Just it should be pushed all the way into that line right here. Okay, drill the hole in there. What I'm trying to do with them, just hold it end piece, would break it, and drill the hole right on the corner. I already had the screw. I mean, I will try that one, but I need build it little piece in there. Put that guy in a proper position. Should line up now. What else I'm doing, I will actually clean that surface in there for a bolt head, because it's pretty big. Gonna work in a second. Okay, it's going in. It's sealed. Perfect. I believe it should work. Let's see. That's how it's to catch it. And now it's not that slappy. We'll see how it's gonna work. Okay, we'll put it back. Key in place. Make sure it pops up. And then up. press it a little bit harder, and that's it. Okay, it goes away. Close the door. It's catched. One more little trick. My seat belt was deformated pretty bad, and what you can do is, if you got the same problem, you can iron it and it'll be work much better. Thank you for looking at. Please put a thumbs up, and thank you. Have a great day, guys.